Hi there. Hey, I'm going to walk you through some of the motorcycles I have coming up that I'm going to work on. And I'm probably going to do videos on each one of those. So, hey, let's jump right into it. And I'll just give you a little rundown on each one. 1972 Kawasaki H2 750 roller. I do have enough parts to complete this bike. And 1977, I think it is, RD 400. That turns over. I don't have pipes for it. That one needs a little bit. Got title. 1970 or 71 H1 500. It's a complete motorcycle. Exhaust is pretty decent on it. So hey, yeah, bear with me on the shaking around because I'm doing this with my cell phone. I'm just walking through here. It's a 1985 Honda CX650 Turbo. This is a parts bike, kind of a donor bike that I bought. I actually have one of these as a running motorcycle. It's turnkey. So I just keep this one around in case I ever need anything. I have all the parts for this, but I'll probably never put it together because it is so complex and someone disassembled it and it's just boxes of parts. 1975 Kawasaki KH400 or S3 they also call it. This is a complete motorcycle. It's stuck, but it's all there. Pipes are decent. I mean, it's complete. It's 100% complete. 1977 TT500. I'm actually pretty close on this. I got some carburation work left to sort out on it. I had to put a 38 round slide on it because that's what I had, and I'm not quite there on the carburation. 1971 Suzuki TS 250. This is a running motorcycle. Run when it parked anyway. I've never heard it run, but anyway, it's supposed to be a runner, and I'm going to work on that one also. 1978 Suzuki GS 1000. It's just the base 1000. It's not the E, obviously. Spoke wheels. I've actually had this bike running and then I parked it. If you've watched any of my other videos, I have another one of these, a 79 that is turnkey that I've done a few videos on. So I'm going to tackle this one also coming up. I have a pair of 1972 GT 750 water buffaloes, and one of them's a runner, one of them's stuck. They're a matching pair, first year. These are going to be fun projects. I've actually had one of them running and ridden it up down to the stop sign and back, so that's projects coming up. So hey, if you like vintage motorcycles, please like, subscribe, share if you want, and hey, go ahead and send some comments. I will answer the comments, and I'm trying to grow this YouTube station, and I'm going to tackle each one of these bikes. Maybe I'll pull them out and do another little video on each one. I intend to make runners out of all of them, and there's other motorcycles also. I've got lots of cool bikes. There's British bikes and American bikes, and some of them are turnkey. Some of them aren't. Well, they're all mouths to feed. But I've got a lot of motorcycles to work on, and I can pull these out individually and do tutorial videos on them. I'm pretty good at making these things run. And so if you subscribe to my channel, I appreciate it. There's been a lot of varied content in the past, but I'm trying to clean that up and stay specifically on motorcycles on this channel. Pretty much all motorcycle related. And well, that's it. I appreciate you taking a look. Have a great day.